alright, The Italian Job, the remake of The Italian Job. Okay, it's free right now on YouTube if you want to watch it. It's actually a pretty good film, really. Um, but I was thinking I'd seen it before, but as I was watching it, I was like, none of this seems familiar. Because I was almost not going to watch it because I thought I'd seen it before. There were a couple of scenes that I thought, well, this does look familiar, but then the rest of it was just like, oh, I don't know. Anyway, needless to say, I sat and watched it. Not too bad. There's some interesting things going on in this film. So we're going to start the spoilers. They are heisting a bunch of gold bars, okay? So it's a gold robbery, followed by a double cross, which happens to take place on a dam, okay? I'm not going to go through everything here, but it's got our mate Jason Statham in it. Yeah, or Statham. I won't. I don't quite know how you pronounce that, but so it's got this dude in it, which we looked at, who has been in several films of interest. Okay, so we looked at him in the last video. You know, dates of interest here: May 30th, May 11th release dates. Oh yeah, the 111. You know, it's the same old stuff. 60. Okay, this is a gold cross reference number here. So you know, pretty interesting stuff anyway. But we're not going to go through all of the characters and the. I could probably sit and spend an hour going through and doing names in the Gematria and all sorts of stuff. But it's just I'm not bothering. We're just going to look at the overall the references to the idea of the gold heist. Okay, which maybe we'll see something to do with the gold heist. We're definitely going to see some kind of reference to gold anyway, whether it be a heist, whether it's all sitting there in Fort Knox. Um, they might not even do anything, you know. They might just be all talk, and you know that will just blow over. Who knows? But this film starts off with a heist. So with this gold heist, and they basically what's the easiest way to explain it? They end up blowing a safe. So it's in Venice, it's set in Venice, and they end up blowing a safe out of a building through a couple of floors. So it drops down into the water below, okay, and they then proceed to break the safe open, which is where we're at right here, at this point in the film. And of course, this opens up. Oh, if we could get to I don't really want to play too much of this. So they're going to open up the safe to reveal the gold. Okay, I'm playing way too much of this. So they're going to open up the safe to reveal the gold. This is the bit that I wanted to see. There's the gold. Okay, and they're underwater. Okay, so we have this reference back to the idea of the Hoover Dam being you know, the connection to water, money, currency, yeah, the flow of money, the Hoover Dam, the store of wealth, the store of power, energy. Okay, so anyway, they do this, and then they get double crossed. And let's move on to the point where we get double crossed. So we have the gold heist. The gold is getting stolen. Okay, so this is like maybe what we might have some reference with Fort Knox coming up. Okay, and then let's move on. This might work right here somewhere. Oh, probably right here. Then they're going to get double crossed on this dam here. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. So the double cross on the dam. Now, I mean, you know, come on. And here's the guy, Fight Club. Mr. Norton. Gonna double cross him, and they're going over the dam here into the actual pool side, and that's the end of the van there. Okay, pretty interesting stuff. Okay, further on in the film, they're going to re-steal this gold back from the bad guy, and again they're in the pipe work, and I'll show you a few bits of this. I don't really have these numbers picked out here. So they start off in the underground, kind of in the pipe work, okay, to re-steal the gold back. She's trying to break the safe open there, okay, that is in the back of an armoured truck. If I could get to a good spot here, that would be helpful. Come on. Here's the armoured truck that falls through into the underground, and then they're going to break open the safe that's in the back of the armoured truck, and then they're going to escape old school Italian Job style in the Mini Cooper. Okay, they're figuring out, and there's some interesting numbers, with what they end up getting away with, and of course they do the old Las Vegas River thing. Journeyman gave me a comment back about that the other day. It's used in a lot of films. I guess that's what this is. Okay, so they can come out, break free again. The idea of coming out of the dam. Okay, and they go over this spillway here as well at one point, or at least they do earlier on in the film when they're testing, and there you can see it in the background, and they're getting away in the black helicopter. Yada yada yada. It's the same old stuff in another film, in another film. Okay, a couple other things I just want to note. So breaking that armored truck open. Again, the armored truck, June 15th, 2018, on the Pat Tillman Bridge. That's the bridge that's right there in front of the Hoover Dam. This guy blocks off the bridge. These are the numbers and letters on the truck. Apparently, it's a homemade armored truck. He's got released the OIG report in the window there. Yeah, so that's what's happening there. A little backstory, that ties in with the armored truck, the heist at the Hoover Dam, yeah, or to do with the Hoover Dam. I don't know what this guy did. He just blocked off traffic and parked the truck in the middle of the bridge here, But that also ties in with another film where the armored truck gets gets robbed, and there's a dam in this film that breaks as well. Okay, and it's called Hard Rain. It's got Christian Slater in it. Yeah, Morgan Freeman, of course, good old Morgs. Christian Slater, 8/18 birthday. I think I want to say what's name's might be an 8/18 as well. Norton. Let's just look. That's the original Italian Job. We'll just go over to that in just a second. Where is he? Here he is. Yeah, he's an 8/18 as well. Kind of interesting. Fight Club. What else? The old Italian Job. Let's just look at. Of course, that's Michael Caine. Michael Caine, very interesting right now because he's a March 14th. We're just looking at the Madonna, the Blood Moon. Okay, so this is really interesting. The idea of the moon coming back in balance on the 14th, right? And then maybe we'll see something really interesting starting to happen after that date. Oh, and again, who else we got in this film? Let's do Noel Coward. And he's got the 326. Okay, the Key Bridge, the Hoover Dam number there. Fascinating stuff for his death date here. I don't know why they haven't got this formatted the same as normal, but right here. Okay. Noel, yeah? Noel. Christmas. Noel. No 11. Noel. like no 9/11, no L. Okay, what else I'm gonna leave it there. You know, there's obviously other connections to other films. I mean, Jason Statham is also in another heist film. I can't remember off the top of my head. I think it's another Guy Ritchie one. Can't remember off the top of my head what it was. We could probably just go to him and look. I could probably just. I've talked about it before though, I'm sure. Let me just see if I can, off the top of my head, think what it was. Was it the bank job? No, I don't think so. I can't remember what it was. He's done a lot of films actually. Yeah, let's not worry about it right now. I'll figure it out and maybe do it. Yeah, this is it. Wrath of Man. That was it. That was the other heist one that I was thinking of. I think. Anyway, right. That's it for the video. You know, it's just again, you know, this is just a re-reference of the same old stuff we've been looking at. You know, the gold heist and the Hoover Dam now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Right, sorry it's a bit. I'm really tired. Sorry it's a bit lame. But anyway, all right. I'll catch you on another video soon. All right, cheers. Bye.